Unboxing a $1 whisk. Yes, that's my budget for this video. A $1 whisk. Let us see what $1 gets us. Opening the box, and first thing I notice, it is pink. I did not want pink. I got pink. Moving on. Put the batteries in, turned it on, and okay, it works. Spins. Makes noise. Does whisk things. Good start. So first test. Eggs. I put it in the egg, and immediately I could feel the motor was struggling. Like it was trying its best, but the egg was just not cooperating. The motor felt weak. Very weak. Like it needed a motivational speech before whisking. Anyway, I fried the eggs and they turned out fine, so we move on. Second test. Coffee. Normal amount. Results were okay. Nothing special. Nothing magical. Just coffee that got slightly frothy. Then I added more coffee because why not? And that was too much for it. It just gave up. The motor said no. I respect that. So yeah, $1 whisk. Works on light stuff. Struggles with real tasks. Comes in pink whether you like it or not. Honestly, what did we expect? It is $1. Drop a like and subscribe to join the unemployed gang. Catch you next week.